In this video, we will learn about issue of shares at premium. Issue of shares at premium refer to when shares are issued at more than the par value or face value or nominal value. When the shares are issued at more than par value is also known as nominal value or face value, then it is known as issue of shares at a premium. Assuming that the shares are rupees 100 each. Assuming that the shares are rupees of 100 each, this will be called as par value of the share. This will be called as par value of the share, or you can say it is also known as nominal value as well as face value also. This is the price of the share. In case it is issued at say 120, that is 20% premium. So if the shares are issued at more than the market price, more than the par value or face value or nominal value, then it is known as issue of shares at a premium. Say this is in this case, if the shares are issued for rupees 120, it means the shares are issued at a premium of 20%. So this is known as issue of shares at a premium. Now one more important thing with regard to issue of shares, general entry we will learn just now. But before that, I would like to that you should know that issue of shares at a premium. When this premium money is received, the share premium, it is also known as share premium. When this share premium money is received, there are certain uses for which only these shares premium or premium on shares can be used. The share premium amount, the premium which is received on the shares which is issued at premium, that can be utilized only for specific purposes. That can be utilized only for specific purposes. These purposes are, you can note it, that first is for issuing fully paid bonus shares. Fully paid bonus shares. For issuing fully paid bonus shares. Then for payment of preliminary expenses. For payment of preliminary expenses. This can be used. Again, for expenses on issue of shares or debenture, or commission paid on issue. For expenses, this means the share premium amount can be used for issuing fully paid bonus shares, for payment of preliminary expense, or for payment of the expenses on issue of shares or debenture, or commission paid on issue of shares or debenture, or for writing off premium payable on redemption of preference shares or debenture. These are the various issues, means the various purposes for which the securities premium or the premium which is received on issue of shares or debentures on issue of shares are used. These are the specific uses for which only it can be used. Other than that, it will not be used for any other purposes. Now we will come to the general entries which are passed when shares are issued at a premium. As regarding issue of shares at a premium, we have discussed earlier also that the shares, the total amount of the face value of the shares or total amount of the shares is not called in one installment generally. Generally it is not called in one installment, it is called in various installment. The lump sum amount, the full amount of the shares are not called in one installment, but in various installment. These installment are known as the first installment, which I have discussed earlier also, that is known as the application money. Application money. Application money. Second installment, it will be known as allotment money. Allotment money. If any third installment is there, it will be called as first call money. Then if there is additional call is there, this additional installment is there, say fourth installment will be the last installment, then in this case it will be called the second and final call. Second and final call. This is the way in which various shares in various installment it is called. It can be 5 installment can also be there, even 3 or 2 installment can also be there. So in this way it is these installment are known as by various names. Now generally, as regard issue of shares at a premium, this premium amount is generally called at the time of allotment. If nothing is mentioned also in the question, we will assume that the premium amount will be called in allotment, along with the allotment money. This is the general condition. Now, sometime it is called along with application also. Sometime it is called along with application also, and rarely along with first call or second call. Rarely along with call. Generally, the premium amount is called along with allotment money, sometime with application money, and rarely with any call. Rarely with any call. If nothing is mentioned in the question, then we will assume that the premium money will be called or is called at the time of along with allotment money it will be called. Now let us come to the general entry. First scenario, just now I told you, if the premium money is called along with application, if the premium money is called along with application money, then the general entry will be what? This is the first scenario. Along with allotment, second scenario. Along with call, this is the third scenario. In case of first scenario, when the premium money is called along with application money, entry will be bank account debit to share application account. To share application account. This will be the one general entry, and next will be share application account debit. Share application account debit to share capital account to securities premium account. This is the premium amount which will be received along with application. These are the two entries. When the premium amount is called along with application money, then entry will be bank account debit to share application account with the total amount, with the total application money, and this application money will be transferred to share capital account, and the premium amount will be transferred to securities premium account. A new account will be opened that will be known by the name of securities premium, or sometimes it is also known as securities premium reserve account. Both are correct. Both are correct. You can write securities premium also as well as securities premium reserve account also. This will be the two entries. Here the narration will be being share application money transferred to share capital account and securities premium account. This will be the general entry. Now let us come to the second scenario, when the application when the premium money is called along with allotment. This is the second option. When premium is along with allotment, general entry will be share allotment account debit to share capital account to securities premium account. This will be one general entry, and next will be when the money is received. When the allotment money along with securities premium amount is received, entry will be bank account debit to share allotment account. to share allotment account when the allotment money along with application. First is being share allotment money due, and when it is received, being share allotment money received. Now come to the third scenario. Third scenario is this one. When the securities premium amount is called along with application money, that is either the first call or the second call. Entry will be, let us assume that the premium money is along with first call. Entry will be share first call account debit. Share first call account debit. If it is with second call and second is the final call also, then we will write share second and final call. If it is second call, then we will write share second and final call account debit to share capital account. We are assuming here that it is along with first call. That is why we have written here share first call account. It will be transferred to share capital and to securities premium account. Securities premium account. The journal entry narration will be being share application, being share first call amount due. These are both the amount due. Means along with the application, the share capital, the share first call money as well as the securities premium, both are due. Next, when the amount is received along with premium, the first call money along with premium is received, entry will be bank account debit. When money is received, bank account debit to share first call account. If it is second call, then again share second and final call will be written. These are the journal entry when the premium amount means shares are issued at a premium, and various conditions under which it will be. For application, when the amount is received along with the application, when it is received along with the allotment, this is the second, and when the share application means when the share security premium is called at the time of share first call.